it's Steve again. I'm here today. I was looking at my deck and I decided I didn't want to spend a lot of money, but I needed a new deck, the whole new decking. And I thought for a minute, I'm like, I could do this for $0. And so I'm going to show you how we did that. All right, so what I did was I found out that my deck was nailed down. Sometimes they're screwed down, which is a lot easier. You just unscrew it. And what I did was since mine was nailed down, I used a sledgehammer and a crowbar, and I just smashed up the real nasty boards that I had. Now I already flipped them over, so I'm going to show you what they look like before I flipped them over. Take a look. Nasty. Nasty. Just gross, all pitted and splintery. But I took care of that. All right, so let me show you what I did. Now I've already stained the deck, but I flipped the deck over and I stained it. And what I did before I stained it is I took a sander to it. I sanded it down. It took me maybe an hour. I probably should have spent another hour. So I had 3 boards that were completely destroyed. So I went out and bought 3 14 or 16 footers. Cost me $20. I bought a new pack of screws, and essentially I did $500 or $600 worth of redecking for $0. So if you want to redeck, flip it over, no money. Hey, well, just want to say thanks for watching, and in the next few episodes I'll be talking about my DIY water wheel that's awesome and my water tower, and we'll be talking about how to build that kind of stuff and what it took, and real easy. See you next time.